How to apply for a master's degree in the USA. Pursuing a master's degree in the USA is a dream for many international students seeking world-class education, research opportunities, and career advancement. With numerous prestigious universities offering specialized programs across various fields, the USA remains one of the most sought-after destinations for higher studies. However, the application process can be complex, requiring careful planning and preparation. From researching universities and meeting eligibility criteria to submitting applications and securing a student visa, each step plays a crucial role in ensuring a successful admission. This video will provide a detailed, step-by-step overview to help aspiring students navigate the process smoothly and achieve their academic goals in the United States. How to apply for master's degree in the USA. Pursuing a master's degree in the USA is a significant step towards academic and professional growth. The application process involves thorough research, meeting eligibility criteria, submitting necessary documents, and obtaining a student visa. Below is a detailed guide to help you navigate the process smoothly. Number 1. Research and choose the right university. The first step is to identify your field of study and the specialization that aligns with your career goals. Researching universities is crucial, and resources like QS World Rankings, US News, and Grad Cafe can help you compare programs based on faculty expertise, research opportunities, facilities, and alumni success. When shortlisting universities, consider factors such as accreditation, location, tuition costs, program duration, and job opportunities after graduation. Choosing a university near industry hubs can enhance internship and employment prospects. Number 2. Check eligibility and requirements. Each university has specific eligibility criteria for admission. A bachelor's degree from a recognized institution with a minimum GPA of 3.0 on a 4.0 scale is commonly required. Some programs may also require prerequisite courses. In addition, many universities mandate standardized tests such as GRE, Graduate Record Examination, or GMAT, for business programs, though some institutions have started waiving these requirements. International students must prove English proficiency through tests like TOEFL, minimum 80 to 100, IELTS, 6.5 to 7.5, or Duolingo, 105-130. Certain programs, such as MBA or data science, may also require 1-2 years of work experience. Number 3. Prepare application documents. The application process requires several documents to support your academic and professional background. A well-crafted statement of purpose, SOP, is essential, where you explain your academic journey, career goals, and why you chose a particular program. Universities typically ask for 2-3 letters of recommendation, LORs, from professors or employers who can vouch for your abilities. Additionally, a strong resume, CV highlighting academic achievements, research work, internships, and professional experience is necessary. You must also provide official academic transcripts from your undergraduate institution, and in some cases, a WES, World Education Services, or ECE, Educational Credential Evaluators, evaluation might be required. The application form is submitted online through university-specific portals, and an application fee ranging from $50 to $100 must be paid, though fee waivers may be available. Number 4. Submit applications. Applications must be submitted within the university's deadlines. Most universities have 2 primary intakes: fall intake, August, September, with deadlines between December and April, and spring intake, January, with deadlines from July to October. Some institutions offer rolling admissions, meaning they review applications as they are received. After submitting applications, universities may invite candidates for interviews, either online or in person. During these interviews, applicants should be prepared to answer questions about their academic background, reasons for choosing the program, career aspirations, and contributions they plan to make at the university. However, most of them don't take interviews, instead directly gives admission after getting all the required documents from the students. No. 5. Receive admission decision. Universities typically take a few weeks to several months to process applications and send admission decisions. If accepted, students receive an official admission letter via email. Some students may receive conditional admission, requiring them to complete additional coursework before full enrollment. Once accepted, students should confirm their acceptance by paying a deposit in some cases, but most of them don't have such deposit too. After getting acceptance, students should wait for their I-20 form and begin preparations for the next steps, including financial planning and visa application. Number 6. Arrange finances. Pursuing a master's degree in the USA can be expensive, with tuition fees ranging from $10,000 to $60,000 per year, depending on the university and program. Additionally, living expenses may range between $10,000 and $20,000 per year. To finance their studies, students can explore scholarships, assistantships, and student loans. Universities offer merit-based scholarships, need-based financial aid, and research teaching assistantships (TOEFL) that provide stipends. No. 7. Apply for student visa, F1 visa. Once admitted, the university issues an I-20 form, Certificate of Eligibility, which is required to apply for an F1 student visa. After this, students must complete the DS-160 visa application form and pay a visa application fee of $185 and schedule a visa appointment at the nearest U.S. embassy or consulate. The next step is to pay the SEVIS, Student and Exchange Visitor Information System, fee of $350 at least 1 week before the visa interview. The final step is attending the F1 visa interview in the scheduled U.S. embassy or consulate. During the interview, applicants must provide essential documents, including the I-20 form, admission letter, financial proof, DS-I-60 confirmation, SEVIS fee payment, test scores, GRE, TOEFL, IELTS, and academic transcripts. The interview will assess the student's intent to study in the USA, their financial preparedness, and plans after graduation. Number 8. Prepare for departure. After receiving the F1 visa, students should begin preparing for travel. Booking flight tickets at least 1-2 months in advance is recommended. Finding accommodation, whether on-campus housing or off-campus apartments, should also be arranged before arrival. Many universities and organizations conduct pre-departure orientation programs to help students adjust to life in the USA. Before traveling, students should carry essential documents, including their I-20, passport, visa, admission letter, and financial proof. Upon arrival, they will need to clear immigration at the U.S. airport before starting their academic journey. Final tips for a successful application. Applying for a master's degree in the USA requires careful planning and preparation. It is advisable to start the process at least 12-18 months in advance. Applicants should apply to 4-8 universities, choosing a mix of ambitious, moderate, and safe options. Keeping track of deadlines, improving SOPs and LORs, and preparing for the visa interview are crucial steps to ensure a smooth application process. Seeking guidance from education consultants, alumni, or university representatives can also be helpful. In conclusion, applying for a master's degree in the USA is a multi-step process that requires thorough research, careful preparation, and timely submission of required documents. From choosing the right university and meeting eligibility requirements to securing funding and obtaining a student visa, every step plays a vital role in ensuring a smooth transition to graduate studies. While the process may seem overwhelming, staying organized, following deadlines, and seeking guidance from mentors or alumni can make it more manageable. With determination and proper planning, aspiring students can successfully embark on their academic journey in the USA, gaining valuable knowledge, global exposure, and career opportunities that will shape their future. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more study abroad tips.